Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Feby Trilamedi Pangaribuan. I'm from Agronomy Agriculture, and my partner.
My name is Ega Prastia. I'm from Mechanical Engineering Education.
Here we will make a video conversation about do you know where it is? So let's get started.
Okay. Hi, baby. Nice to meet you here.
Oh, hi Ega, long time no see. What are you doing here?
I was looking for a toy for my little brother, but happened for one that his request.
What kind of toy does he want?
Silent with a car remote control to race with his friend. Do you know where it is?
Oh, I just saw it on the bottom shelf of the third aisle.
Wow, thank you, baby. What are you looking for here?
I'm looking for a gift for my sister's birthday. I thought of buying her a Lego toy, but I haven't found it yet. Do you know where it is?
Oh, the toy is under from Selner, the cashier register, the cash register in the bottom drawer.
Well, it's a wonder I didn't find it. Thanks, Ega.
You're welcome, baby. See you again.
Yeah, see you again. Okay, that's all from our video conversation. Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you.